He did not mean to read it. It happened on a quiet Sunday afternoon. The house was calm. The rain was falling softly outside. He was cleaning the bedroom drawer. Just simple things. Old papers, receipts, a broken pen. Then he saw a small notebook. It was old and thin. The cover was light blue. He knew it was hers. He smiled at first. He thought it was just notes, shopping lists, random thoughts. He opened it without thinking. The first page had her handwriting, soft and careful, very familiar. He was about to close it, but one sentence stopped him. "I feel lonely even when he is next to me." His hand froze. His heart slowed down. He sat on the bed. He read the next line, and then the next. She was writing about her days, about small moments, about silence in the house, about words that were never spoken. She wrote about love, but also about distance, about feeling unseen. He did not know this part of her, or maybe he never tried to know. They had been married for 12 years. No big fights, no loud arguments, just quiet days. They talked about bills, about food, about work, but not about feelings, not anymore. He kept reading. His chest felt heavy. She wrote about how she missed the way he used to look at her, how he used to ask about her day, how he used to listen. She wrote, "I don't want much, just to feel that I matter." He closed the diary. His eyes were wet. He felt ashamed. He felt afraid. She trusted him, and he broke that trust. But the words were already inside him now. They would not leave. That evening she came home late. He was sitting at the table. She noticed his face. "Are you okay?" she asked. He nodded, then shook his head. "I need to tell you something," he said. She sat down slowly. She waited. "I found your diary," he said. "I read it." Her face changed. The warmth left her eyes. "I'm sorry," he said quickly. "I should not have done it." Silence filled the room. The rain was louder now. She stood up. She turned away. "That was not for you," she said quietly. "I know," he replied, "but I'm glad I read it." She looked at him again, confused, hurt. "I didn't know you felt this way," he said. "I thought we were fine." She laughed softly, but there was no joy in it. "I stopped telling you," she said, "because you stopped listening." Those words hurt more than the diary. He stood up. He walked closer, slowly. "I don't want to lose you," he said, "and I don't want you to feel alone." She looked tired, very tired. "Then see me," she said. "Really see me." That night they talked, for hours. Not loud, not angry, just honest. He listened this time. He did not interrupt. He did not defend himself. She talked about her fears, about feeling small, about missing connection. He talked about stress, about work, about how he thought silence meant peace. They both cried. In the days that followed, things were not perfect, but they were real. He started asking again. She started sharing again. Sometimes they failed, sometimes they forgot, but now they noticed. The diary stayed in the drawer. He never opened it again. He did not need to. Her voice was no longer silent, and that was enough.